Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaker, the place where learning English becomes, oh yeah, super easy, super natural, and sometimes a little funny.
I'm Mariam, and I'm really happy you're here today. And I'm Nasir. Hello, everybody. Seriously, it feels so good to be with you again. Thank you for joining us. You look great today. I mean, I can't see you, but I feel it.
Yes, absolutely. And before we start, can we ask you for one small thing?
Just a tiny thing. Please hit the like button, subscribe to Mr. English Speaker, and press the little bell icon, ding ding, so you don't miss any lesson. It really helps us.
Okay, ready for today's big topic? It's a good one, a very good one.
Oh, yeah. Today we are talking about practicing English alone. Yes, alone, by yourself. No partner, no teacher, no friend. Just you and your lovely English.
So, Nasir, tell me honestly, do you like practicing English alone, or does it feel like torture?
Seriously, sometimes it feels like I'm talking to ghosts.
Oh, yeah? Ghost English?
Yes, I'm walking around my room like, hello, how are you? Then I turn around and nobody is there.
That actually sounds kind of cute. Like English practice, but also a little crazy.
I know, but here's the thing. When you practice alone, you remove fear. You remove pressure. You remove, all the what will people think thoughts.
Yes, absolutely. When you're alone, no one laughs at your mistakes, no one judges your accent, no one tells you you're wrong. It's just you and your progress.
And, sometimes learners message us and say, Nasir, nobody wants to practice English with me. And it breaks my heart.
Same. Seriously. I feel so sad when I hear that. But you know what I tell them? You don't need anybody to start speaking English fluently.
Exactly. Learning alone can be powerful. It can be beautiful. You learn to trust yourself.
Okay, but let's be honest, practicing alone can also be, boring.
Yes, especially when you repeat the same sentence 100 times.
Or when you talk to the mirror for 20 minutes and start thinking, am I losing my mind?
Yes, absolutely. But the problem isn't the learner. The problem is the method.
Oh, that was deep. Say it again, slowly.
The problem is not the learner. It's the method.
That's true. Most people don't know how to practice alone. They start with big goals, and after one day, they stop.
Technique number one, the big one, shadowing.
Oh, yeah, I love shadowing. It's simple, but powerful.
For people listening, shadowing means you listen to English and repeat immediately, like an echo.
Yes, for example, if you play any video and the person says, I woke up early today, you repeat, I woke up early today.
And the secret is not perfect English, but consistent copying. Every day, even 10 minutes.
Shadowing improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. And you can do it while cooking, cleaning, walking, even lying in bed.
Lying in bed shadowing sounds lazy, but honestly, I do it all the time.
My favorite technique is talking to myself. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but it works.
Oh yeah, I talk to myself too. Sometimes I even argue with myself.
Really?
Yes, like, Nasir, why are you eating again? I'm hungry, okay, seriously. But you just ate. I know.
Oh my God, that's perfect English practice, though. People don't realize that talking to yourself helps you think faster in English.
Yes, you build natural speaking patterns. You stop translating.
Can I say something personal?
Yes, of course.
When I was learning English, I used to practice alone every night. Sometimes I cried, seriously, because I felt so slow.
Oh, Mariam.
But then I realized every sentence I spoke alone made me stronger. Every day, a small improvement.
That's beautiful and true. And to everyone listening, your slow progress is still progress. Don't give up.
Technique 3. Describe what you're doing.
One of the easiest solo techniques, describe your actions.
Yes, like I am washing the dishes. I am getting ready for work. I'm making tea. I'm opening the window.
I do this a lot in the kitchen while cooking chapati.
I am turning the roti. I am burning the roti. Oh
Hey, I make good roti, okay? Seriously.
no! Let's practice together. Repeat with us slowly. I am learning English alone. I am getting better every day. I am confident. I am improving. I trust myself. I don't give up.
This technique is powerful but scary. Record yourself speaking.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Listening to your own voice feels strange.
It's like, is that really me?
Yes. But recording helps you see your mistakes clearly.
Another beautiful method, make tiny stories about your day.
For example, this morning I woke up late. Then I ran to catch the bus. Simple, but powerful.
Yes, even 5 sentences a day builds fluency.
Okay, so our first advanced technique is internal dialogues.
Oh, yeah. This is powerful. It means instead of thinking in your native language, you think in English.
Not perfect English, not fast English, just English.
Yes. For example, you wake up, and instead of thinking, oh, I'm tired, you think, I'm tired, but it's okay. I will get up now.
Exactly. You talk to yourself in your mind, like a small English movie playing inside your head.
I do this when I'm washing dishes. Inside my head, I say, okay, Nasir, don't break this plate. Seriously, focus.
Internal dialogues make you natural because you practice without speaking, anywhere, anytime. You know, many people tell me, Miriam, I feel shy speaking alone. What if someone sees me?
Oh, that's normal. I used to hide in the bathroom to practice English.
Oh my God, really?
Yes, I would sit there and whisper, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you.
But seriously, nobody becomes fluent without private practice.
Yes, fluency grows in private before it shines in public.
Oh, that was deep. Fluency grows in private. I love that. Okay, technique 7 is my favorite, the acting method.
Oh, yeah, this is fun. You choose a character and speak English like them.
Yes, for example, pretend you're a news reporter,
A chef, a pilot, a famous actor,
a superhero.
a villain, a shopkeeper, anything.
I sometimes pretend I'm a fitness trainer. I stand in my room and say, let's go, guys. One more push-up. You can do it.
But honestly, acting removes fear because you're not you, you're a character.
Yes, and when you're a character, you stop caring about mistakes. Okay, this next technique sounds funny, but oh my God, it works.
Oh, yeah. Talking to objects.
Yes, talking to your mirror, cup, phone, pillow, shoes, bag, water bottle, laptop, anything.
I talk to my plants. Seriously. I stand there and say, hello, plant. You're growing so slow. Oh, but I still love you.
I talk to my coffee mug every morning. Please don't spill today, please.
Yes, talking to objects helps you practice real-life sentences with no pressure.
You know, sometimes learners think, I'm stupid. I talk slowly. I make mistakes.
That hurts me. Seriously. People are too hard on themselves.
Everyone listening, I want you to hear this slowly. You are not slow. You are not weak. You are not behind. You are learning a new language, and that makes you brave.
Yes, absolutely. You're stronger than you think.
And practicing alone means you believe in your future self.
Here's another powerful technique. Keep an English journal.
Yes, write a few sentences every day, then read them out loud.
Even something simple like, today I felt tired. Today I learned a new word. Today I tried to speak English and it felt good.
The magic is in returning after 1 month and reading your old writing.
Oh yeah, you can literally see your progress.
This is another advanced but beautiful method, imaginary conversations.
Yes, you imagine a person in front of you and you speak with them.
It could be a friend, your future self, your teacher, a celebrity, your favorite character, even your crush.
Oh yeah, crush practice is dangerous.
Seriously. But imaginary conversations help you build natural flow. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly.
I am learning English alone.
I am getting more confident.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I speak slowly but clearly.
I am improving every day.
My future English is strong.
Now imagine you're talking to someone. Let's practice.